Hey trophies, welcome back to I Jump Instead and welcome to this 15-minute Make It Happen Monday rebounder workout where we're making it happen. We clicked on this video because we wanted to make it happen in 15 minutes. We're jumping instead with our handlebar, getting in our workout for the day. Welcome, all levels are welcome. This is beginner friendly. You can take it to any desired intensity that you choose. All you do is move faster and push harder. So let's go ahead and begin by waking up every cell in the body and by paying close attention to our flexibility in our joints by just first and foremost closing up the mouth, standing up tall, and working right up the center of our mat, feeling balance in our body, with or without the handlebar. It's a performance bar to help us work with more precision. Widen the feet a little bit, stay in your groove, and twist with me to the side, keeping your head forward, looking over your shoulder. Keep your ankles loose so your back foot comes up a little bit off the heel, and then you can go a little deeper. Keep your knees loose, keep your hips loose, but keep your spine nice and tall. Teeth are closed. Lean your head, elongate your neck, and come back to center. Pull your feet in just a little bit and give me some hip thrusting here. Loosen up the lower back, stretch the core. I strongly recommend this move every morning, just as a first thing in the morning routine. Get up and give me 15 of these hip thrusts. It'll change your day. It'll stretch your back out and make you feel so good all day long. We're also doing it in the workout, so you get more. What we're working into is a little bit more flexibility over time, so that we're starting to put in a little cat-cow into this motion. And we're feeling the stretch and the stability in our core as we stay aligned right up the middle of our spine. Perfect. And now let's do hip twists. Sink into the hips, activate the calves and the ankles by coming up onto the ball of each foot. Beautiful. And then with the standing foot, we work into the heel and contract the glute just a little bit. Perfect. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and walk a little bit just to pick up the heat, pick up the thermometer here, dialing it up. Let's relax our breath. Relax our shoulders, but find our spine nice and long, but we are sticking our booty out a little bit, just a little bit. This helps us to work into the fronts of the legs. Now I want you to tuck your hips under, point your feet out, and squeeze your buns as you walk into your glute squeeze. A little bit deeper with each step, but you're staying squeezed. Relax the shoulders and the eyes so you stay poised and your mind and body feel relaxed as you work your mind to muscle connection. If you keep that relaxation in your body, then you're going to keep all stress hormones down, you're going to be more consistent, and you're going to activate more muscles because you're going to have more energy to do it. Let's go ahead and switch again. Stick the booty out just a little bit. Push a little bit more in through the balls of the feet, activating the fronts of the legs. I want you to point your feet outward now. So you're getting a little more inner thigh activation. And just walk at the pace that feels right for you. And if you get too much activation, just stand up a little bit more. So we're still working into the fronts of the legs here. Now I want you to bring it back up, keeping your feet outward, pointed outward, tuck into the glutes. And then give yourself a little extra squeeze with each step. See how the handlebar can help us to stay right up the middle of our mat? That's what I want you to do. Keep still here. Teeth closed. Calm breath. Perfect. Back to walking parallel. Stick the booty out just a little bit. And then we're gonna do some side stepping, pump out some lactic acid. Stay here with me. Bring it in for a little pigeon toe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop up and give me health bouncing. Get side stepping with me and take your left hand and wave side to side. I want you stretching through your shoulder, stretching through your sides. You can get a stretch on both sides with each reach if you're staying nice and low in your movement and you're staying present in your body. Easy breezy, stretching, high wave, side steps. Let's go ahead and switch hands. And then keep that soft eye with that poised mouth posture, spine posture. Feel the stretching, feel the flexibility, and stay with your breath. We're gonna switch again to the other side. This time we're gonna do a waist hold, 2 and 1. So put your hand on your waist, keep your wrist straight, and then flex your arm. So you've got a nice strong power pose through your arm here. And then you side step with a little leaning side to side. And I want you to feel your arm activation working side to side. That little motion pulling into different parts of your arm muscles, all the way up through your shoulder, and you're working your core. Let's go ahead and switch sides in 2 and 1. Hold here. Any little micro movements are excellent to help you to work into your steps. So just a little lift happening in your shoulder is fine. Little lift through the elbow, excellent. You're twisting here, that's great. Do whatever feels fun and feels good getting into your activation. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do some squatting. So let's bring our heart rate down and get into our squats. We're gonna start at the 15. We're gonna do 3 squats and then we're going to do some bunny hops. So give me 3. They can be short, they can be a little bit deeper, whatever you find works best for the moment. And then I want you to bring your feet together and hop like a bunny. Perfect, back to squats. So if you want more intensity, you are welcome to add a little jump if that seems fun, and then get into the middle and hop. And if you want more intensity in your bunny hops, keep your upper body still. Back to the squat. 3, 2, and 1, and then bring your feet together and bunny hop. All right, top of the minute, we're gonna do 3 more. Let's go. 3, just make it easy. 2, or go for more intensity, and bunny hop. Now, when you do hop here, you can put a little squeeze in your shoulders. Keep a light hold on your handlebar. Back to the squats. 1, 2, connect to the bottoms of your feet. 3, feeling yourself pushing up evenly. Bunny hops. So you can work on a little shoulder squeeze activation in your hops, just for added upper body activation. 1, 2, and 3, and bunny hop. Perfect, 3 more. 1, and 2, and 3. And again, if you're looking for more, you could just do lower body bunny hops here and really crank up the activation. All right, 1 more minute. 1, 2, and 3, and hop into your bunny hops. Excellent job. Let's go back. 1, 2, and 3. Little hop into your bunnies. Perfect. Excellent. We get to bounce here, and if you need more, then bend down lower. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. Just hop easy here. Catch your breath, and just squat down as much as it works for you. Here we go. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, and bunny hop. Perfect. Just relax your body. We're gonna sit down on our rebounder. So go ahead now and just take an easy step off, holding your handlebar. Come around to the front middle of your rebounder with your handlebar here. And then we're gonna start with rocking side to side. And these are gonna be graceful side stretches as we lean and open through the chest, keeping the neck long, giving ourselves a little look over the back shoulder, keeping our jaw closed, sitting nice and tall, trophies. Stretch through your lats, make it easy, stay poised, and keep your core nice and strong just by holding it firm so you're stable. Perfect. Keeping your eyes soft, shoulders relaxed. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and get bouncing here. We're gonna do some arm pumps. So if your handlebar is in the way, then we need to sit off to the side so that we can pump here. And I just want you to do easy arm pumps here. If you're looking for more intensity, you are welcome to lift your feet off of the ground and do a little rock the boat, just for fun. And if you don't have to hold your handlebar, that would be the most advanced way to do them. Otherwise, just pump your arms. Stretch your arms through your shoulders, your biceps, triceps, and just pull them back when you're in the up bounce. Sitting up nice and tall. Low bouncing goes very far, so keep it low and easy. And if you ever hit a point where your back feels like it's had enough for the day, then just reduce your bouncing to a stop, and you could finish off standing up or just do something else in your sits, whether you're lifting your legs and continuing to work your core. So we are going to do leg lifts next. So let's go ahead and do some lifting while we're bouncing. But if you have stopped bouncing at this point, just lift your legs up one at a time. Otherwise, you can have 2 mid bounces between each lift. You are also welcome to have 3 mid bounces or even 1 mid bounce. And if you want to test yourself to see if you can kick and touch your toes, that's really fun too. Perfect. And then if you want also to bring it up to the most advanced level, you could see if you could just boat bounce. I like to rock the boat personally, but boat bouncing is a wonderful way to strengthen the core and the back, but it is very advanced. So take your time building your way up, trophies. Perfect. We're gonna be laying down for the last 2 minutes. So you're gonna potentially need a pillow, but I am going to suggest that you hold your head up, and so you can strengthen your neck and face muscles, and then you can take a break by putting your hands behind your head. So let's go ahead and lay down, just like this. Perfect. Now you're keeping your head up, and then let's lift our legs up. And we're gonna bounce here if we can. If we're not bouncing yet, we're gonna take this opportunity to practice. So bob your feet up and down and see if you can get going. If your neck is already tired, put your hands behind your head and lift your chin up a little bit. Flatten your back. Do you feel that flat back? If your hands are not behind your head, still flatten your back. Perfect. And then put your hands anywhere you need them to be so that you can get bobbing. If not today, try again next time, and you will eventually get the bouncing. Then once you're bouncing, you can just feel your back flatten out and then feel the activation start to build up in your horizontal washboard abs against your resistance mat. All right, now let's go ahead and put our hands behind our head and do some leg swimming. So when we do leg swimming, it's very important to keep the back flat again. So we either need to have our swimming legs nice and high, or as we notice our abs are getting stronger, then we can lower our swimming legs down. And at the very hardest level, we can reach and go lower than the rebounder mat and keep the back flat. Hold your head here. and work your abs. And if you can, let go of your head and give your neck and face muscles a little more activation. This is good to do as well. Beautiful job, trophies. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and sit back up with me. So when you're ready, just roll back up. Sit here for just a minute. You can bounce a little bit if you want. And then once you feel stable, let's stand back up and just finish standing. So go ahead and relax and bounce here, standing up. Realign everything. And now you're ready for the rest of your trophy day. Thank you so much for joining me for this 15-minute quickie, making it happen Monday rebounder workout. You made it happen. Congratulations. And of course, we recommend jumping into another workout if you have the energy for it. We've got 10-minute workouts, we've got 15, 20-minute workouts, 30-minute workouts. They're all in our playlist section. You could do this workout again. When you find your favorites, you can create your own playlist in your YouTube account so that you can go back to your tried and true favorite ones. And then you see us upload regularly here, and so you can always jump into the new class and see if you want to add that to your favorites playlist. And then you can always be going through your favorites and trying the new ones as they upload here on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed, because we're bringing regular workouts to you so that you're jumping instead as often as you can. We would love to see you jumping daily, if not multiple times a day, because if you're having fun jumping instead, then it's just as easy as taking a walk or moving around your house. You're just in an up and down bounce. And so you could and should be doing more than one routine a day if you're wanting more benefits of rebounding. And so I encourage it twice a day. That's all I want, okay? Just so that you give your cells that muscle memory one more time in your day. Okay, trophies? Have a fantastic rest of your trophy day. Thanks always for giving these videos a like, and then comment below whatever color heart you think this outfit is. I think it's more of like a coral-y, orangey coral, and I don't think that heart exists. So you got to go pink in the comments, or orange, or you can give me any color that you like. And then I know who jumped into this class today. Okay, trophies? I'll see you very soon. Happy jumping, lots of love. Bye-bye.